on a long, lonely highway, cold wind in my hair, sweet scent of the flowers rising up through the air. Far away in the distance, I saw a glowing light. My head felt heavy and my eyes got tired. I had to stay for the night. There she stood by the doorway. I heard the silver bell, and I was thinking to myself, this is a dream or a living hell. Then she lit up a candle